Hi, my name is Jana McGuire, and I am not technically savvy at all, and I am very thankful that I have a IT person named Molly that works in my clinic, and she has been helping me since yesterday to figure out how to do this. So I am blessed to have her help. I am 46 years old. I am married to my husband Joe. We've been together for about 30 years. We have 5 children, 3 grandsons, and our youngest daughter is getting married in September. So we will officially be empty nesters. I have been in the healthcare administration program at Nebraska Methodist College for about 18 months. I have found it extremely rewarding and interesting, but very challenging, fitting in everything, with being a grandma and a wife and working has been very difficult for me. I work for Methodist Physicians Clinic and I have for 18 years. I am currently one of the director of practice operations and am responsible for multiple primary care locations as well as all of the urgent care sites for the clinic. I look forward to this class. I've been in the management role for quite some time, but as with other classes, I know I have a lot to learn and hopefully some things to offer to the class. The next slide, that is probably my favorite people in the entire world. That is Mason, Owen, and Colton, my 3 grandsons, and I'm totally in love. So good luck to everybody, and I look forward to this class. Thank you.